Hey Michael, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, and then I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your homepage, which right away I will say I really like your logo. So a couple things we could change about the look, just maybe make the text a little bit bigger, get rid of these huge borders on the side so that people can see all these great pictures that you have up. So in addition to some aesthetic changes, we also want to make sure that your website has a good amount of content on it. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you currently have 270 words. So we definitely want to add in some more content on here. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Also, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is car wrap San Jose. This is a really great keyword. It brings in 300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the search bar here at the top, we may typically see some Google ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google ads are a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they are done incorrectly, you can definitely waste quite a bit of money on them. But if they're done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is really important. It's becoming more and more important as more people are searching for things off of their phones. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots on the first page of Google, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I've scrolled down, I've made it to the organic search results. So this should definitely be your main area of focus. They're going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and they are almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. So this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so their site looks pretty good. They also have a lot of content on here. And so I did a word counter search on them. They have 2,719 words. So they definitely have a lot of content, and it looks like it's quality educational content as well. But we could definitely match or beat out the amount of content that they have. So in addition to content, in order to get ranked organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered and relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another, basically like a shout out. You want to get these backlinks, shout outs from high-powered and relevant websites. So for example, if a local mechanic company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend using it. It is a bit pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so I just typed in the competitor we were just looking at, and it shows me they have 517 backlinks from 85 different domains and are ranking organically for 90 keywords. So I can click and take a look and see which keywords those are. Here it will list all the different keywords, how many people are searching for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so we can go through and see which ones apply to what you do. We also want to keep an eye out for ones that are location specific because they have a high buyer's intent and bring in a lot of volume. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the same thing that I just did with their keywords, with their backlinks. And so it was telling me that they had around 500 different backlinks. And so we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, we want to beat them out with the quality as well. So we want to keep an eye out for backlinks that have a high DR, domain rating. We can go through and snag the best ones for your site. We can go through other competitors' backlinks, find some on our own. And so 502 backlinks is quite a few, but it is definitely beatable. However, do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword, and we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. Right now you guys have 125 backlinks from 13 different domains and are ranking organically for 39 keywords. So let's just see which keywords those are. And so it looks like pretty much all the keywords have your name in them. So we definitely want to go through and make sure that you are going for more generalized keywords so that if someone wasn't already searching for West Coast signs, they could find you. And so to recap what we talked about in this video, number one, we want some more content that is quality educational content with the right keywords. Number two, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.